Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will delve into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 23rd of April 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.1. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.09%. This equates to an average return of 1.04% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signal an early shift in trend. During the reaction, there will be support at the roof of the current trend that has been broken, which is $9.04, a level that may provide a second chance for a strong upward movement. According to fan theory, $13.26 will be the next potential peak level, acting as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 34.48% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 66.08% and negative 36.33%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 114.41%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 53.89% and 450.81% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $14.31 and $51.23. Here is the latest daily update for Rigetti Computing. The headline reads, Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price ended at $9.30 on Thursday, after gaining 2.09%. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price increased by 2.09% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025. The price rose from $9.11 to $9.30. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can maintain this upward trend or if it will take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.4%, with a day low of $9.14 and a day high of $9.73. The price has experienced some volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.96% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, bringing the total to 27 million shares traded for approximately $253,099,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 56.58% or $12.12 below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, a dedicated quantum computing company, is making headlines as it competes with IonQ in the pursuit of quantum supremacy. Today's updates highlight Rigetti's significant progress within this growing sector, especially as investors look for stocks with potential for growth. Recent discussions have brought attention to Rigetti's distinctive approach, which emphasizes precision and strategic partnerships, both crucial for maintaining long-term competitiveness. In short-term trading, the stock has demonstrated resilience, recently closing at $8.32. This marks a positive development amid market rallies, and such momentum could attract greater investor interest, potentially driving the stock price higher in the near future. Adding to Rigetti's strong position, the company has emerged victorious in Innovate UK's Quantum Missions pilot competition, securing a fund of £3,500,000 aimed at enhancing quantum error correction capabilities. This achievement not only highlights Rigetti's innovation, but also indicates solid governmental support for advancing quantum technologies. In the long run, advancements in quantum computing capabilities are likely to enhance the company's value proposition, which could translate into substantial growth for investors. As the market for quantum computing evolves, Rigetti's commitment to developing scalable technologies and building key partnerships positions it favorably for future success. Analysts predict that ongoing innovations will be a pivotal factor influencing investor sentiment and stock performance, making RGTI a name to monitor closely. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, B. Riley also gave RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, Craig Hallam reported a buy grade for RGTI, accompanied by an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Needham provided RGTI with a buy grade and a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, B. Riley again rated RGTI with a buy grade and an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. However, it also has a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $8.61 and $8.87. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Thursday, April 10, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 1.27%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 130 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.95. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock is known for its significant daily movements or volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 585 cents between its high and low, representing 6.4%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 5.47%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit levels and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, The next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. The consensus estimates from analysts project a loss of 5 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $11.03. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $8.95. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, David conducted an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. conducted an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, David also conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, David conducted another insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 9.518. Overall, insiders have purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.92, reflecting a decline of 4.1%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the breakout from the falling trend suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that the prices around the breakout point will indicate particularly favorable levels, but we also think that the current price can serve as a solid buy opportunity for the short term. After analyzing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we anticipate Rigetti Computing will open higher by approximately 8.83 cents and begin trading at $9.39. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.